In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a list or segment from Klaviyo with ease. Whether you're looking to analyze your audience data outside of Klaviyo, share insights with your team, or just need a backup of your contacts, exporting is a simple and straightforward process. And I'm here to walk you through each step, making sure you can do it effortlessly and without any hiccups. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Klaviyo account. Once you're in, navigate to the side menu. There you'll see various sections and options, but what you'll want to click on is Audience. When you hover over it, you'll notice a submenu pop up. From there, click on Lists and Segments. This is where all your organized lists and carefully curated segments live. Now, you need to decide which list or segment you want to export. Click on that specific list or segment to open it up. You'll be greeted with a detailed view showcasing all the profiles within it. It's a great way to ensure you're exporting exactly what you need. Next, turn your attention to the upper section of the list or segment view. You'll find a drop-down menu labeled Manage List, or if you're working with a segment, Manage Segment. Give that a click. This is where the exporting process really begins to take shape. From this drop-down, you'll see an option that says Export List to CSV, or for segments, Export Segment to CSV. Go ahead and select that. Now, you have a decision to make about the data you wish to include in your export. Klaviyo gives you the flexibility to choose whether you want all profile properties included in your export, which means all the available data for each contact, or if you prefer to be selective. Perhaps there are specific fields you're interested in, like email addresses and subscription preferences. Whatever your choice, make your selection accordingly. Once that's sorted, it's time to let Klaviyo do its magic. Your export will begin processing. Depending on the size of your list or segment, it might take a few moments, but rest assured, Klaviyo handles this efficiently. While you wait, it's a good idea to grab a cup of coffee or check some of the other aspects of your campaigns. Finally, when Klaviyo has finished processing your export, you'll be notified that it's ready to download. Simply return to your Klaviyo account to locate the completed export. From there, you can easily download the CSV file to your computer, ready for analysis or sharing. And there you have it, a smooth, step-by-step journey to exporting your data in Klaviyo. Whether you're new to the platform or a seasoned user, mastering this process empowers you to manage your audience data effectively. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.